Better?
Definitely.
Oh yeah. That's way better.
We'll take a mallet and just kind of pound that.
That's all. This is all stretched out now.
What does that little block look like?
It's a 2x4.
Rounded corners.
Rounded corners.
So it won't tear into the fabric.
Yep.
Would you recommend like duct tape over the edges or anything?
You could.
Just to be safe.
Yeah. Okay. Wait till we get this in here because you're pounding this down and this is coming out.
So I gotta scrape. We'll scrape that out and seal it. Let me grab